Hi, hello everyone. This is Tani here, and today I'm going to talk on the very important topic, and the topic today is uh, what man does not know. Actually, man does not know many things, even though we have so many kinds of inventions and the technology updates around us. Man doesn't know. Still, man doesn't know answer for many questions. He doesn't know actually many things. One of the very important thing that actually man doesn't know is actually Bible speaks about it in Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse 12. It says that for man also knoweth not his time. Yes, one very important thing that man does not know is time. He does not know when he is going to die. No man can say the exact date that he is going to. No one knows the timing of exact date that they are going to get everything. He doesn't know the time. That is very important thing, but man does not know it. But there is one supernatural God who created the time, who was there even before the time, who knows everything that is going to happen in your life and my life, who knows the birth date and also the death date of you and me. He knows all things. Yeah, for his word says in his time he has made everything beautiful in his time. My times are in your hands. So he is a God who knows everything that you are going through. He knows the time that your sorrow is going to end. He knows the time that your mornings are going to change into dancing. He knows the time that when he is going to bless you, he is going to stretch your hand upon you and he is going to bless you. He knows the time, but we don't know it. But what is the benefit of having him in our side is, what is the benefit of seeking him is, when you have some, if for example, if you don't know max, but you know a very good max teacher, so when you go to the max teacher, you can learn max. You can know about max. In the same way, you don't know about the timings, but when you get close to the one who has the timings in his hands, when you get close to him, you know the timings of your life, even others' life. So there are so many benefits with God. God is so great and God is so mighty. May God help you to understand him and help you to enjoy all the benefits that he has for you in this life. May God bless you. See you in the next video.